Question number 71. Solve the proportion. 4 over 5 is equal to x over 9. These are two ratios that are equal to each other, which means we call it a proportion. And solve just means find the value of the variable. We have one variable here, the value or the variable x. So all we have to do is solve for x. These hopefully will be pretty fresh in your mind. It hasn't been too long since you've done these. We learned that when you solve a proportion, you can cross multiply, meaning that you can multiply 4 times 9, and that will go on one side of our equation. And you can cross multiply the 5 and the x, and that means we have 5x on this side. So in one quick step, we can actually make this a lot easier to solve. Fractions are gone. All we have to do is use our Algebra 1 skills. 4 times 9 is 36. So 36 is equal to 5x. And then remember, class, we can divide both sides by 5. And we end up with, I'm going to rearrange this to put the x on the left side. We end up with x is equal to, let's just cancel these out because the 5's cancel over here. X is equal to 36 over 5. And that cannot be reduced or simplified because 5 is prime. So our answer, the value of x, is 36 divided by 5. If for some reason in a multiple choice question this is a decimal, you can go ahead and plug it in. 36 divided by 5, let's see how messy that is. 36 divided by 5 is equal to, it's not too bad, 7.2. So you could also write this answer as x equals 7.2, but most of the time they'll go ahead and leave this value of x as a fraction. But if you need to, you can convert it to a decimal.